guys coming? It's National Roller Coaster Day. You down? Let's go to SeaWorld. That's right, everyone. It is National Roller Coaster Day. I got my Mako shirt on. I am heading to SeaWorld. They're running a really cool promotion right now where if you get there at Park Open, sorry, I had a brain fart right there. If you get there at Park Open and your first 400 people in the park, you get to get a quick queue for all the roller coasters, and they're giving you a lanyard for National Coaster Day. I'm also going to try to sign up for the Mako, that's why I'm wearing the shirt, Mako backstage tour of the maintenance barn. Sorry, I just put my stuff on the car. I wish I was going to Dollywood, but I'm not going to Dollywood. What's up, guys? I got my good friend Mo with me. We did it, first ones to get our pass, and now we're here at Sky Tower waiting to get the tour for Mako. Super excited getting to do both today. Something I've been dreaming about for a while. All right, guys, so I forgot to film it, but number 1 and number 2 on the list for Mako. Cannot wait. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. Don't know what to expect on this tour, but again, super excited, and let's see what we get to do. There it is. Good old Mako. Getting that VIP entrance. This is it, we're going in. Got a little backstage pass of the shark encounter filtration system. Now this is awesome.
Assistant supervisor, he's in charge of the day-to-day operations for Mako. What you're going to see today, we have a train that's an annual, so it's torn apart. There's some examples down here on the first floor of some wheels and what can happen to wheels if loose articles are caught in them. And then you can go upstairs and take a look at the storage bay as well. There's part of the train up there. So yeah, so we got part of a train upstairs. So there's stuff to see everywhere. What we'll do is we'll break up the routes. Half will stay downstairs, half go upstairs, and then we'll swap. But the day, what happens here daily, the team comes in at 4 a.m. and then they do all their inspections, any preventative maintenance, any repairs that need to be done. And then when it's time to start up the ride, they'll start up the ride, do all of the required test cycles, they'll test ride, make sure that everything is ready to go for the day. And then operations will take over and make it so that you guys can ride.
Wow, look at that wheel. That is insane. Look at that. This is what keeps us in there. What train is this? You know? Number-wise? Yeah, number-wise. I don't even know. Oh, I'm so sorry. Go ahead. I always had a theory because I was trying to ride it as much as I could. I was always stuck on 1 and 2. I felt like I could never ride train 3. That's probably way up. at all this. So crazy. It's awesome. Here it is. Number 2, the one I'm always riding, I feel like. Wow. There's a lot of parts here. Number 2. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna touch it. Oh, you touched it. You touched it. So this is why they don't want you to carry loose articles in your pockets. Because you can damage the wheels and damage the ride. That is literally a weave. That's a weave that did that. Now, the spot that I've always wanted to go. Upstairs. Let's go. Let's go. I'm never gonna be this close to the track ever again. Look at that. Let's wait for a train to go by. Here it comes. Awesome. Look at this. Standing underneath the train. There it is. Got the nose cone off, and that's what I was standing underneath. The wheel assembly's all taken off. Look at that. That's a view you'll never get. The backside of the train this close. I'm gonna touch it. Touch! Side fins over here. Touch! All the seats off. I might as well. Touch! Put all the wheels. Wow! Got a duck under here. Awesome.
You run through, one's usually down for annual. And what's your annual contract? Cycles. 75,000. This one's down at 75,000. I have a
You mean each train does 75,000 runs before you take it off? Damn. That's impressive.
Yeah, around the 50,000 mark, we'll try to reserve those runs.
Okay.
We'll normally just give them one train for as long as they can. And then once we get to a certain, once this annual is done, even if the next train's not at that 75,000, we're down at it anyway.
That makes sense why there's sometimes one train and then there's 2 trains.
Yeah.
Now it all makes sense because I'm always like, they're just being lazy. They only want to run one train. Now it's for safety.
It's also based on park, how many people are in the park today.
But that makes sense.
There's not a lot of people who don't want to running empty trains.
Yeah.
Because that puts unnecessary wear.
Yeah.
So we'll leave the train off until the park gets busy enough where they can use both trains.
Oh, that's awesome. Every time I'm on the platform, I'm like, I want to go in this building so bad. So it's awesome to be in here. Got some of the seats down here, the metal backing. Many a times I'm sitting right there going, I want to be in this building. And now that I am, this is just so worth it. I mean, look at the view. Look at that. Drive wheels right here to load the trains into the maintenance bay. I missed this earlier, but here are the water dummies for when they need to test the ride. fill them up, put them in, send it. All right, everyone, so I'm going to interject real quick. I forgot to record this, but a little fun fact. When you see the red looking paint on the bolts, that's an indicator so that way people in maintenance know that that bolt has been properly torqued to where it needs to be. And at SeaWorld, if it's red, that means the bolt is good to go. And when it's green, that means the bolt has been used a second time. And if that piece breaks, that means that bolt will be thrown away and they'll add a brand new one back on, which will put the color back to red. They were saying it's weird that it's red means go and green means, hey, it's on its second journey, but that was just a cool little fun fact. I forgot to record, but I figured I'd want to share with you guys. So now you know. If you're riding one of SeaWorld's coasters and you see one of the bolts are green, you know it's on its second leg, but it will be tossed out if something happens again. What an awesome experience to get to see that. Obviously, we're gonna go ride now. I mean, duh, what else is there to do? Ride Mako.
No hands, baby, no hands. Woo! Oh, yeah. Whoa. Gotta love that front row. Woo! Air time. Woo! It's for you, Julius. I got hit by a bug. Ow! I got hit by a bug. Woo! Woo! Got hit by a bug. That hurt.
As always, a great way to start off this coaster day with Mako. What are we gonna do next? Stay tuned. So I was sitting here and I just realized that the craft beer festival is going on, but it's not today. So I gotta come back on the weekend and we're gonna go experience that. That'll be fun.
An icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld.
Alright guys, well with Grover Stillbox Derby not open, we're gonna ride icebreaker. You ready? Alright, let's do it. Back up the vertical spike all the way. Oh! Talk about the air time.
All right, y'all, so this is a public service announcement. Make sure you're drinking water. It's really hot and it's just so hot. It's taking a toll on me and I probably wasn't hydrated enough when I came here today. So it's really having an effect on me, but stay hydrated and always keep water around you or get some free water when you can. It's time to go hang 10 on Pipeline. Let's go. So a little disappointed because I've lost 20 pounds since I've last ridden this at the day of opening and I didn't fit this time on Pipeline, so answer me that. But I think it was because the person that was doing the restraint wouldn't push hard enough for me, so I'm not mad, just disappointed. Don't forget guys, if you're pass holders, you can come get your buttons. This month is a shark. And you also can get your Pipeline lanyard, so come out to SeaWorld and make sure you get your free stuff, y'all. And they're giving $15 right now. Definitely take advantage of $15. And Mo just reminded me you have till the 20th to redeem 2 free tickets if you're a pass holder for National Coaster Day. They extended it to the 20th, so make sure you take advantage of that as well. Time to do my least favorite ride at SeaWorld. I just don't like the way you're flying. The harness restraint is not fun at all, but let's go ride Mansa.
ride. This right here is why I hate Mako. We've been
Ladies
stuck
and
now
gentlemen,
for 5
boys and
minutes.
girls, may we have your attention, please? Manta is currently experiencing technical difficulties,
We realize
causing a
that.
great delay in our normal operation. We expect this to only be a short delay and suggest that you remain in line.
This is why I hate
Once
Mako.
again, Manta.
I really don't want to end this video like this, but after getting stuck on Manta for 10 minutes, sitting there, it totally just messed up my back. Like, I can only walk about 50 feet and then I have to sit down again and stretch my back. So unfortunately, I only got to do 3 coasters today. Didn't fit on Pipeline, which I'm very sad about because I did it for grand opening. But yeah, at National Coaster Day, it's a fail for me. I didn't get to do everything, and Manta really threw me out of commission today. Well, I didn't want to end the video like that at the park, but I just could not go on anymore. So I came home and I'm feeling way better. It's gonna be a couple more weeks till I go back out to the theme parks. I think it's just way too hot. But I'm gonna try to find some really cool restaurants to go to in the next couple weeks. So stay tuned for that. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button already, please do. Thank you to all my new subscribers that I've gotten in the past week. You guys are awesome. And thank you to my loyal subscribers. So thanks for watching again, guys, and have a great day. Oh, and be sure to follow me on social media. All the links are below. That's where you're going to get my information before I put it on YouTube of where I'm going or what I'm going to be doing soon. Add me on the other socials. Do it.